Hello everyone, here's another tip for you. In this video, we will look at how to display the totals on a stacked bar graph. So in our training, we already learned how to create a stacked bar. I've replicated the same thing, regional sales and broken down by segment. So the overall height of the bar tells you about the overall sales made by that region, like the overall sales of Central, overall sales of East region. And now we have used segment on the color shelf, turning this into a stacked bar graph. This is the contribution coming from home office segment in Central region, contribution coming from corporate segment in Central region, and contribution of consumer segment in Central region towards the overall sales happening in that region. Let me change this to entire view and slightly reduce the size of the bars. Now my requirement here is to show the values, show what is the sales from each and every segment, which can be achieved simply by turning on the mark labels. So this is the sales of each and every segment in each and every region. Okay, but there is no way that we can display the total sales on this graph. Now, how do we display the total sales? We can do it by putting a reference line. I'm going to add a reference line, which is supposed to be a cell scoped reference line. And I'm going to label it with you can label it with the value directly, or you can customize the label, but I will write total sales is equal to, and then insert the value. So you can see how on every bar, we are now able to look at the total sales of that region. Further, I'm going to introduce a little space at the beginning of this label so that on the graph also, it will go and center itself. Okay, so this is how we can show the totals on a stacked bar graph, while at the same time we are displaying the total sales from each and every member in that stacked bar, each and every segment, at the same time totals. So I hope this will help you. Thank you.